You've spent ages searching for a supplier, finally found one, ordered a small batch of goods, and then bam! You get the wrong product, or worse, the supplier just vanishes with all of your money. These situations are all too common in the world of e-commerce, especially for small businesses. But don't worry, today I'm going to be showing you how and where to find reliable suppliers without risks, why working directly with manufacturers is definitely better, and how to brand even a small batch of 100 units. When searching for suppliers online, many entrepreneurs fall into the trap of working with middlemen. These third parties cause delays, all sorts of miscommunication, and mistakes with your order. Industry data shows they can inflate your costs by 20 to 30%, directly cutting into your small business margins. Even riskier would be buying branded goods from unverified sources. For Amazon sellers, this can lead to account suspensions, fines, or legal issues due to counterfeit products. Small businesses can't afford these risks, so finding a reliable supplier with transparent terms is absolutely critical. Imagine a platform with a huge database of verified manufacturers, search by photo, keywords, or ASIN, which is Amazon's standard identification number, but you probably know that. And the ability to request manual searches for official brand distributors and order those items with resale permissions. That's exactly what SupplyLeader.com offers, a tool designed to connect small business directly with wholesale suppliers and factories. With a subscription model, SupplyLeader cuts out hidden fees and markups, giving you competitive prices. Whether you're reselling original brands or launching a private label, it's got you covered with AI analytics, direct factory negotiations for branding, insured shipping, and Amazon FBA compliance. This minimizes risks and streamlines absolutely everything. Let's compare the most common ways to find wholesale suppliers for small businesses, looking at efficiency, cost, and risks. First, SupplyLeader. It's fast, low risk, and affordable with a subscription model. You get access to a vast network of suppliers with minimum order quantities as low as one single unit, plus integrated shipping, cargo insurance, and product analytics. A one-stop solution for small businesses. Second, other popular platforms. They're really popular for wholesale, but prices can be higher due to hidden fees, and minimum orders are often too large for small budgets. Verifying suppliers takes all kinds of extra effort. Now lastly, manual search through trade shows or forums. It's time-consuming and risky. Comparing 10 manufacturers is nearly impossible without a centralized database, and expert help can cost up to $300 per product. Without a platform, there is no guarantee of deal safety or product quality. Building direct relationships with suppliers gives small businesses a real edge. When you buy wholesale directly from manufacturers, you cut costs and control product quality. Direct communication speeds up problem solving and lets you customize products like branding or packaging for your market. Platforms like SupplyLeader.com make these connections easy, ensuring you're not stuck with unreliable middlemen. Looking for wholesale product ideas? Check trending categories like clothing, electronics, or home goods. SupplyLeader's database and analytics help you spot hot products and connect with suppliers offering the best deals. No matter which approach you take, here are some quick tips for choosing the right supplier. First, verify reliability by checking reviews, certifications, and the company's track record. Second, compare the total cost, factoring shipping and taxes, not just the initial price. Third, evaluate communication. A responsive supplier is crucial for resolving issues quickly. And finally, start with small orders to test quality before committing to larger batches. Or simplify the process with SupplyLeader and connect directly to trusted vendors. Now I hope you found this video helpful. Smash that like button if you did, and subscribe to our channel for more game-changing ideas on increasing your Amazon earnings, partnering with top suppliers, and building your e-commerce empire. We pack every video with value, keeping them under 10 minutes and right to the point. Want to source suppliers effortlessly with AI-driven solutions? Check out SupplyLeader.com, links in the description. Let me know in the comments what kind of products you're hunting for, and I'll brainstorm some options in future content or direct replies. Amazon offers endless possibilities, so take the leap and start exploring today. And I'll be seeing you in the next video.